In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate some of the handy features available on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay enthusiast or just getting started, these steps will guide you through accessing some crucial settings and uncovering potential savings waiting in your account. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the eBay website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.ebay.com in the address bar. Hitting enter will direct you to eBay's homepage, where you'll find a diverse array of products ranging from electronics to everyday household items. Keep in mind that this site is bustling with opportunities to find great deals. Once you're on eBay, it's time to focus on personalization by visiting your profile. You'll find the profile icon or your username at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click. This drop-down menu offers a personalized peek into your eBay world, including your recent activities and, most importantly, your account settings. Next, look for the option that says Account Settings. This area of your profile is vital as it holds the key to customizing your eBay experience. Clicking on Account Settings will lead you to a page dedicated to managing your account information, including your personal details and preferences. While you're exploring account settings, take a moment to visit your messages. The messages are another critical aspect of your eBay dashboard. Here, eBay sends you important notifications, including potential coupons or discount codes, which could save you money on your next purchases. It's a good habit to frequently check these messages because you never know when a great opportunity might pop up. Once you've checked your messages, you've essentially covered the essential steps for this guide. Navigating and exploring these areas of your eBay account often leads to useful insights and possibly even some hidden gems like promotional offers. Remember, eBay is not just a marketplace. It's a platform that grows and adapts with your buying patterns and preferences. Taking time to understand and configure these settings can greatly enhance your experience, offering not just convenience, but a tailored shopping journey. Knowing where to find these options and how to utilize them efficiently can save you time and possibly money, setting you up for a smoother, more informed shopping experience. And with that, you're all set. Happy shopping, and don't forget to check back regularly for the latest deals and coupons eBay has to offer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.